Hello and welcome to Business Simulation Learning module.
In this video, we will explain the intercompany feature. This feature helps you selling raw materials or semi-finished goods in the form of concentrate to other companies. You can also negotiate the selling price with other companies. The intercompany feature is primarily used for transactions between different companies. Through this feature, you can sell materials in the form of both food and concentrate. To set up the material you wish to sell, click on Intercompany in the toolbar and then select Maintain Intercompany Price. The screen will then update accordingly. On this screen, there is a feature that allows you to decide whether your company will open price negotiation. If negotiation is enabled, other companies can submit their proposed unit prices for the materials. However, the final decision remains with you as a seller. On this screen, you can also select which material you want to activate for the sale on the market. Both concentrate and fruit materials are available. The minimum price you can set for selling your material is $1. Concentrate is sold by the liter, while fruit is sold by the ton. The intercompany activation section indicates which materials are currently active or inactive. Lastly, there is a feature to manage each material you wish to sell. To proceed, click on the command field. On this screen, you will find several key pieces of information. At the top, you can activate the intercompany feature by clicking the red button. To deactivate it, simply click the button again once it turns green. You can also view your current material stock levels. The maximum quantity to sell field is editable and can be adjusted as needed. However, if you set a quantity that exceeds your available stock and another company places an order beyond what you have, the material cannot be issued due to insufficient stock. Below that, you will see a summary of the total quantity of material sold during a specific period. The table below displays a pricing scale automatically generated by the system. You can customize this scale on the right-hand side by defining quantity ranges and setting corresponding prices. Additional rows can be added to reflect new pricing tiers, typically offering lower prices for larger purchase volumes. You can create up to 5 pricing tiers in total. Once you are satisfied with the pricing scale you have configured, click Save Scale at the bottom right. For example, if we activate the intercompany feature and decide to sell apples, our company will appear in the marketplace of other companies. When another company places a purchase order, we'll receive a notification. From there, we can view the PO details, including the purchasing company's name, the quantity ordered, and the material requested. By clicking the notification or by navigating to the Manage Incoming PO, the full PO details will be displayed. If the proposed quantity and unit price are acceptable, we, as a selling company, can proceed by clicking Delivery to initiate the goods issue. Once the goods have been delivered, we simply wait for the purchasing company to complete the invoice process and make the payment. Let's take another example, purchasing materials from an intercompany vendor in the marketplace. There are two methods, with negotiation and without negotiation. The key difference is that if the selling company enables negotiation, You will be able to propose your own unit price for the material, as long as it doesn't exceed the maximum fair price set for that item. Once the purchase order is created, you will need to wait for the selling company to approve it and deliver the goods. When the goods are delivered, a notification will appear. You can access the details by clicking the notification or by navigating to the Manage Purchase Order section in the Procurement Department. To complete the PO process, you will need to verify the invoice and proceed with the payment to the selling company. That's it. You have now learned how to use the intercompany in business simulation.
Thank you for watching and happy learning.